Launch day of Hold on the Good Church. Today is the last day, and then this is the time for warming up, and then today we'll be continuing with the prophetic activities. Be blessed.
Ataw ng tanan.
Nayag Mobile Sounds.
Di at Juday. Manayaw tang tanan, diri sa diskuhan. Daghan kayo og tao, mga tutang tanan. Mga tutang tanan, diri sa diskuhan. Kaoban ng panayag, maghataw tang tanan. Di at juday, di at juday. Sige lang! Di at juday, di at juday. Sige lang!
Let's continue to celebrate what God has done as we declare our faith and trust in the risen King. Jesus is our solid rock, our firm foundation.